we have started our activity since 3 years here in 2019, and this is in frame of collaboration of our institute in Cairo with the Ministry of Tourism and Culture.
Comenzamos este proyecto hace 3 años, es por parte del instituto en el cual él trabaja en el Cairo y por parte acá de San Juan con el Ministerio de Turismo y Cultura.
And also in collaboration with the Faculty of Philosophy in San Juan University. This was also started in 2019. And during this collaboration, we have started our geophysical survey in this archaeological site in Halario, and we started with very modern geophysical techniques like gravity and the magnetics, and to show or to know the structural pattern in the subsurface area.
Comenzamos nuestro trabajo en 2019. Con estudios de campo en el sitio patrimonial con distintas técnicas.
Yes, geophysical techniques.
Técnicas geofísicas,
and
magnéticas y de gravedad.
And also we use seismic tomography for also parallel to these techniques. We have analysis and we have analysis the data, geophysical data, and we have preliminary results. And I hope today we can show our preliminary results for this study, and also to discuss and to put some points about the solutions for some archaeological and environmental problems in this area.
Analizamos la información recogida y realizamos hipótesis particulares, preliminares. A partir de ese análisis preliminar esperan llegar a distintas conclusiones sobre el análisis de la conservación y la preservación de este patrimonio.